x plus y into x minus y. Okay, x plus y into x minus y. Yes, is it clear? X plus y into x minus y. Then 12th. Then 12th. So x square minus y square will be x plus y into x minus y. X square plus y square you will keep as it is. Then 12th. A into a minus 1. A into a minus 1. Minus b into b minus 1. Minus b into b minus 1. Let us open the bracket and see what happens. A into a square, minus a, minus b square, minus into minus plus b. Okay. So let us do the grouping method. Let us do the a square and b square I will take together, minus a and minus a and plus b I will take together. Let us do the grouping first. So that will be a square minus b square minus a plus b. A square minus b square, a square minus b square, I will take minus common, then it is a minus b. Okay, now a square minus b square we can simplify. That will be a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Then minus 1 into a minus b. Yes, a minus b is common. A minus b is common. Then what is left? Left is a plus b. A plus b minus 1. Minus 1. And this is the answer. So we have to do grouping also. When you do the grouping, we say whether it is square of two numbers. Then 13, 4a square. 13, 4a square. 13th is 4a square. 13, 4a square plus 4a square minus 13, 4a square minus 4b square plus 4bc plus c square. Let us see what it is. 4a square, 4b square I can write 2b whole square plus 4bc I can write 2 into 2b into c square I can write c square. Oh. Then next 4a square I will write 2a whole square minus this bracket I can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. I can write 2b plus c whole square. Yes or no? A square plus 2ab plus b square will be a plus b whole square. Now again it is square. Again it is square. So x square minus y square formula we use. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. So this will be 2a plus 2b plus c into 2a minus 2b plus c. 2b plus c we write in the bracket. So this is 2a plus 2b plus c into 2a minus 2b minus c, and this is the answer. Okay, in the last term it is product of two factors. So if it is product of two factors means it is a factorization. Where in yes, no problem. You can put the bracket in plus, no problem. We do not put the plus bracket in the plus because it will not have any effect. But we definitely put bracket in minus because inside sign will change. So you can put the bracket, no problem. then 14th. So we are doing difference of two squares. Difference of two squares means x square minus y square form. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Then 15th, 9a square. 15th, 9a square plus 3a. 9a square plus 3a minus 8b. 8b minus 64 b square. 64 b square. Okay. 9a square plus 3a. Okay, see this. We do the grouping. Which square terms are together? 9a square and 64b square. 14th I will do after this. Let me do 15th. Now 15th, we'll do the grouping first. Square term we take together. 9a square, 64b square we take together. Then 3a and 8b we take together. So first we do the grouping. That will be 9a square minus 64b square plus 3a minus 8b. We do the grouping, rearrange the term. Now 9a square I can write 3a whole square, 64b square I can write 8b whole square plus 1 into 3a minus 8b we take together. Now again this is x square minus y square, x square minus y square. So in this we apply x square minus y square formula. X square minus y square, that is x plus y into x minus y, x plus y into x minus y. So this will be 3a plus 8b into 3a minus 8b plus 1 into 3a minus 8b. 3a minus 8b is common. 3a minus 8b is common, so that I can take common, that is 3a minus 8b. Then what is left in the second bracket? 3a plus 8b plus 1, and this is the answer. So you have to do the grouping. If direct it is not showing square of two numbers, then you do the grouping, rearrange the term and see whether it is square of two numbers. Difference of square of two numbers. Then 14th. Let me write 14th and see whether it should be given homework. 14th, 4a square. 4a square minus 49b square plus 2a minus 7b. Plus 2a minus 7b. This you can do directly. Okay. 4a square you will write 2a whole square, 49b square you will write 7b whole square. Then simplify further. Okay. 14th homework. 16th. 4a square minus 12, this also same way. 4a square minus 12a, 4a square minus 12a plus 9 minus 49b square minus 49b square. Yes. Let us solve this. Let us solve this. 4a square minus 49b square you will take together. So let me 3. Then it will be 4a. 4a. There is mistake. My dear. No. Instead of 9, it should be 42. Instead of 9, it should be 42. Then only you will get the answer. Let us see. If you make it 42, then it is 4a square minus 49 b square minus 12a plus 42. Okay. This 2a square minus 7b square. Then what you can take common? 6. Then this is 2a plus 7. 42b. It should be 42b. It should be 42b. So mistake is there in the question. It is not 9. It should be 42b. Okay. Then it is 7b. Okay. Then this you can write 2a plus 7b into 2a minus 7b minus 6 into 2a plus 7b. Okay. So make this correction in that question. Instead of 9 it is 42b. So 2a plus 7b is common. 2a plus 7b is common. Then it is 2a minus 7b minus 6. This is the answer. So make correction instead of plus 9. How you can do with plus 9? Tell me. Okay, my dear, a minus b whole square formula, then you should have ab in the middle term. ab is there? Tell me. ab is there? ठीक. Yes, I understood what you are telling me. You can write that 9 as 3 square, then a minus b whole square, correct? Okay, no problem. You can do by that way also. So instead of 9 I have taken 42b. You can take with 9 also, no problem. Because 9 you can write 3 square. Now 17. Yes, you can continue with that 9. 17. 4xy minus x square minus 4y square plus z square. How will solve this? This you can write minus x square plus 4xy minus 4y square plus z square. Correct? This I can rewrite. This I can write z square minus x square plus 4xy minus 4y square. We are just rewriting this. So that is z square. Now I will take minus common. Then it is x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. I am just rewriting this. First I am writing z square. So that is z square minus x square minus 4xy, 2 into x into 2y. 4y square you can, 4y square you can write 2y whole square. So this is z square. Which one? See, this one. This one. Okay. Minus I have taken common. So when you will take minus outside bracket, inside sign will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. That's all. 2xy I can write 2 into x into 2y. 4y square I can write 2y whole square. So now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b whole square. X minus 2y whole square. Now this is of the form a square minus b square. So that will be a plus b into a minus b. So z plus x minus 2y, z plus x minus 2y into z minus x minus 2y. A plus b into a minus b. So this will be z plus x minus 2y into z minus x plus 2y. This is the answer. Yes, understood? I have taken minus sign common outside bracket, so inside sign will change. Yes, understood. Yes. Then 18. A square plus b square minus c square. 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 A square plus B square minus C square, 18. A square plus B square minus C square minus B square plus 2AB minus 2CB. So 2AB I will take with 2AB I will take with A square and B square. 2CD I will take with C square and D square. So this I will write A square plus 2AB plus B square, rearrange the term, minus C square minus 2CD plus, minus C square minus 2CD minus D square. Now this I can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. Let us take minus sign common, then it is C square plus 2CD plus D square. Correct? So A square plus 2AB plus B square is nothing but A plus B whole square. C square plus 2CD plus D square is nothing but C plus D whole square. So now this is A plus B is by X, C plus D is by X square minus Y square. X square minus Y square is X plus Y into X minus Y. So A plus B plus C plus D into A plus B minus C plus D. So that is A plus B plus C plus D, A plus B plus C plus D into A plus B minus C minus D, and this is the answer. So whenever you will see AB term you take with A square and B square. Whenever you will see CD term you will take with C square and D square, that's all. Then 19th, 4x square. 19th is 4x square. 19th is 4x square. 19 4x square minus 19th is 4x square. 19th 4x square minus 12ax. 4x square minus 12ax. 12ax. So ax is there. Minus y square minus z square minus 2yz plus 9a square plus 9a square. So you can see the term ax. So ax I will take x square and a square together. Ax is there, so that I will take with 4x square minus 12ax. Then I will write 9a square. Then remaining I will write minus y square minus 2yz minus z square. Yz I will take with yz term I will take with y square and z square. Okay, so let us see this. 4x square I can write 2x whole square. Then 12ax I can write 2 into 2x into 3a. 9a square I can write 3a whole square. Then there I can take minus common, y square minus 2y square plus 2yz plus z square. I will take minus common. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That will be a minus b whole square. So 2x minus 3a whole square minus y a square plus 2ab plus b square y plus z whole square. Again this is of the type x square minus y square. X square minus y square will be x plus y into x minus y. So that will be 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3a plus y plus z into 2x minus 3a minus y plus z. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So let us open the bracket. So 2x minus 3a plus y plus z into 2x minus 3a minus y minus z. And this is the answer. Yes. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So you have to, yes, mute the microphone. You have to identify the type. Whether it is a square minus b square. If it is a square minus b square, then you will write that as a plus b into a minus b. Now, mute the microphone. Yes. Now 20 a square minus 1, 20 a square minus 1, a square minus 1 into b square minus 1, a square minus 1 into b square minus 1 plus 4ab, a square minus 1 into b square minus 1 plus 4ab, a square minus 1 into b square minus 1 plus 4ab. Okay, let us see. Okay, let us see this. What is it? A square minus 1 into b square minus 1. So let us open this bracket first. That will be a square b square minus a square minus 1 into b square minus b square minus into minus plus 1, sorry, plus 1 plus 4ab. Okay. Let us see. This become a square minus b square. A square b square, a square b square plus 4ab plus 1 minus a square minus b square. Now let us see what happens. A square b square I can write ab whole square plus 4ab I can write 2 into ab 4ab. This is correct. So 4ab, you want 2ab. Okay, so let us write 2ab. 2ab plus 1, then minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So I have split this 4ab. See here, 4ab I have split with 2ab and 2ab. Okay, 4ab I have written 2ab and 2ab. One 2ab I have taken with this, one 2ab I have taken with this. Have you understood? Yes or no? So that I can go ahead. 4ab I have split. 4ab I have taken with one 2ab with this, one 2ab with this. Let us see. This is nothing but ab whole square plus 2 into ab into 1 plus 1 I can write 1 square. Then minus I can take common, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square. Now first I can write a square plus 2ab plus b square is ab plus 1 whole square minus a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. Again you have x square minus y square. You have x square minus this, you can take x, this you can take y, then you will get x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. 4ab I have split 2ab and 2ab. One 2ab I have taken with ab square. One 2ab I have taken with a square and b square. So x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this will become ab plus 1, ab plus 1, ab plus 1 plus a minus b into ab plus 1 minus a minus b minus a minus b. X plus y into x minus y, that's all. So ab plus 1 plus a minus b into ab plus 1 minus a minus b. Okay? But still you can simplify this. How? By rearranging the term. Let us see what happens. Let us see what happens. Can you take AB and B together? Let us take AB and B together. AB plus A plus 1 minus B, and this is AB plus AB minus A plus 1 minus B. AB, it will be B plus 1. It is 1 minus B. So this is not possible. AB, A together, then it is B minus 1. And it is 1 minus B. So this is AB plus A plus 1 minus B. Let us see in this. AB, A is common, then it is B minus 1 plus 1 minus B I can write. 1 minus B I can write minus of B minus 1, no? Yes or no? So this is AB plus A plus 1 minus B into B minus 1 is common into A minus 1. This is the answer. Even if you stop there, no problem. This is the factorization. This is the factorization. Okay. Now 21st. Okay. It is 10:30. It is 10:30. We stop here.